Our Lady of the Blessed Passive Parish, San Pedro Apostol Parish, Virgen de las Flores Parish, Sagrada Familia Parish, St. Joseph the Worker Parish, Mother of Perpetual Help Wasay Parish, Our Lady of Assumption Wasay Parish, Santo Cristo Wasay Parish, Santo Rosario Parish, Christ the King Parish, Most Sacred Heart of Jesus Parish, San Lorenzo Ruiz de Manila Parish, Our Lady of Guadalupe Parish, San Isidro Labrador Parish, Plaridel, Holy Angel Parish, San Isidro Labrador, San Ildefonso de Toledo, St. James the Apostle, St. John the Baptist, St. Mark Evangelist, Shrine and Parish of Santa Rita de Cassia, Nuestra Señora del Rosario Parish, Parokya ng Banal na Mag-anak, Our Lady of Miraculous Medal Parish, Santo Niño, St. Michael the Archangel of Paul, St. John Maria Vianney Pasay Parish, Vicary of Santa Maria, La Purísima Concepcion, St. Andrew Apostle Parish, Our Lady of Mount Carmel Parish, Blessed Sacrament Parish, Santo Cristo Parish, San Isidro Labrador Pasay Parish, Holy Family, Immaculate Conception Parish Pandi, San Antonio de Padua Pasay Parish, Mother of Mary, Mother of the Eucharist and Grace, Santo Niño Parish, San Gabriel Archangel Parish, St. John the Evangelist Parish, Vicary of Baliwa, San Agustin Parish, Nuestra Señora de Lourdes Parish, Sagrada Familia Parish, Santo Niño Parish, San Pablo Apostol Parish, Santa Monica Parish, Santo Cristo Parish, Nuestra Señora de las Flores Parish, San Isidro Labrador Parish, Santa Rita de Cassia Parish, San Juan de Dios Parish, Immaculate Conception Wasay Parish, Immaculate Conception Parish, Ascension of Lord Parish, Our Lady of Mount Carmel Parish, Our Lady of the Most Holy Rosary, Vicary of San Miguel, San Ildefonso de Toledo Parish, Most Holy Eucharist Parish Gabihan, Sacred Heart of Jesus Parish Pinao, Sacred Heart of Parish of Jesus Parish Salacon, Nuestra Señora del Santo Rosario Parish, San Jose Esposo de María Parish, Sagrado Corazón de Jesús, San Miguel Arcángel, Our Lady of Remedies Parish, Vicary of Bukawi, Nuestro Señor Jesucristo, the incessant shrine of San Andres Quintaigo, Saint Michael the Archangel, Mother of Mercy Pasay Parish, Saint Peter Alcantara, Saint Peter the Apostle, Saint Martin of Tours, Our Lady of Fatima, National Shrine and Parish of Divine Mercy, Saint Lawrence